Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Blink to send alerts to Alexa. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Blink app is installed on your smartphone. Open the Blink app and log in to your account. Next, tap on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Account Settings. Now, look for the Linked Accounts option and tap on it. Choose Amazon Alexa from the list of available integrations. You will be prompted to link your Amazon account. Tap on Link Account. A web page will open, prompting you to enter your Amazon credentials. Input your Amazon username and password, then click Sign In. After logging in, you may need to authorize Blink to access your Amazon account. Review the permissions and click on Allow. Return to the Blink app once you're redirected. Now, let's move on to set up alerts with Alexa. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone. Tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner. Select Skills and Games. In the search bar, type Blink and hit Search. Find the Blink skill in the search results and tap on it. Next, click on the Enable to Use button. If prompted, log into your Blink account again for confirmation. Once the skill is enabled, Alexa will now be connected to your Blink camera. To test the alerts, say Alexa, discover my devices. Wait for Alexa to discover your Blink cameras. Once discovered, you can ask Alexa to send alerts for motion detected by your Blink cameras. To customize alerts, go back to the Blink app. Tap on the camera settings and select Notifications. Make sure notifications are enabled for your desired settings. Now you're all set to receive alerts on Alexa from your Blink camera. Enjoy your enhanced home security with Blink and Alexa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.